If you have been looking for a way to scalp trade volatility 75 successfully, then you need to watch this video to the very end, because in today's video I will be sharing with you how to scalp trade volatility 75 successfully, and also in today's video I will show you the entry point and the exit point, what you should look out for before you go into the trade, and what you should look out for in order to avoid a sudden reversal in price action. So stay tuned and watch this video to the very end, because you're going to enjoy it and you will acquire more knowledge in your trading journey. Okay, so let's go fully into the trading, but before then I would like to let you know that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try any of these strategies live on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about any of my videos, probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it, so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video like this. Okay, quickly let's get into what is happening in the market, so that we will understand what to look out for whenever we are trading today. So let's check that out before we go into what we have for today properly. Okay, the first asset I'm checking out is Boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator. As you can see, once you see the signal indicator turning into blue line, this blue line showing up, it shows that the market is on uptrend. So you can see that the market is on uptrend at the moment. So stay away from the market if you are the type that loves selling Boom. Okay, if you are the type that loves trading the spikes in Boom, then you can be in the market and milk the market successfully. Of course, we should be preparing a reversal in price action any moment from now, because it got to this resistance level and pull up again, try to get to that level here again, and if it breaks this line successfully and the line changes from blue to yellow, then we might be experiencing some downtrend around there. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000, and I will be using the crusher indicator for this. For crash 1000, it's been on a very long uptrend. As you can see, it has been on a very long uptrend. Okay, after surviving this downtrend, okay, we got our buy signal here at this support level, and it got confirmed here, and it keeps on going up and up. So if you're having this indicator, I'm very sure you would have milked the market successfully. And also, if you're having the signal indicator, you should have milked it successfully. And of course, if you are having the QDC scraper indicator, it would definitely highlight the trend out right from the beginning till the very end. Okay, this is the QDC scraper indicator, and we are using it to analyze the Boom market. Boom 500 market now. Actually, Boom 500 market was on uptrend before. You can see it started the uptrend here, and it kept on going up and up and up and up till it got to this level, when it changed from uptrend to downtrend. This is where it changed from uptrend to downtrend, and we got our sell signal here, and you can see it has been selling since then. Okay, the exit arrow is out right now, so you should exit the market at this point and wait for the spike to happen, or for the support to break. And if the trend is still showing you red, then you can still go in and milk the market successfully. Okay, this is crash 500, and I'm using it analyzing it right now, and we are using our anti-indicator to do our analysis here. So let me quickly remove these. All these are just meant to map out the breakout actions that I was expecting, and it has actually happened. Okay, you can see this is the support level. There was a long downtrend, and this is 1 hour time frame. This is the support level. After the support level, the resistance was broken, okay, somewhere here, and it started moving up to this level. So at this point you can see that the market is on uptrend. This is 1 hour time frame. You can imagine being the market for this long. This is amazing. This is about 12 minutes candles, that is, 12 candles, which is about 12 hours. Okay, being the market for 12 hours is amazing. So that is that. I will be stopping here with the analysis. So let's move on into what we have for today, which is how to scalp trade volatility 75 successfully. But before then, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's move on to the trading platform. Okay, this is our volatility 75. Like I used to tell you, it is a trend trading asset, and also it is highly volatile, and the movement is funny, not like that of boom and crash. It goes up and down, and it goes more in the direction of the trend than the opposite direction. So in other words, this is what we are trying to achieve. Okay, once you know the direction of the trend, or once you know the direction of the market, then you should follow the signal that support the trend. Okay, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that will let you know when to come in and how to scalp trade with it successfully and make some money with it. Okay, so this is how to do that. Of course, for those that are not having enough capital, or you are just coming into the trading platform, this is very, very cool for you, because you will be able to trade gradually till you are able to develop the confidence in you, or have enough trading capital to trade for a very long time. So you're going to love this strategy that I'm about showing to you. Okay, like I said, since it is a trend trading asset, we need to focus more on the trend aspect. Okay, so we need to know the general trend of the market, and this third indicator window here, the indicator there shows us the general trend of the market. As you can see, the market has been on downtrend right from here. You can see here, this is where we had our downtrend starting from. It started from here, from this candle. So you can always come in once you have your sell signal here. We are going to focus on the sell signal alone. The reason is the market is on downtrend. You can see all the reds here. So far the reds are still showing here. Then we must trade the trend, the sell signal alone, except if it changes from red to green, which is this. Okay, and you will be notified by this arrow before it will change successfully. So right now, let's see how far we can go if we are trying to scalp trade. Okay, we decide to sell from here to this level. This is 8-minute candles, that is being the market for 8 minutes. So if you are using a reasonable lot size, you will have earned like $5 to $10 from there. Okay, exit the markets once you see the exit arrow, which is the uptrend arrow, which is the buy signal arrow. So you exit the market around there. Okay, you wait for it to give you another sell signal still on this red. Always confirm if this is still red. Okay, once this is still red, once you get another sell signal here, you can come in again and exit the market here. This is another 13 minutes candle. You can see that this is 13 minutes candle. So you exit the market on this arrow again. Okay, since this is still red, okay, you can still come in after you get a sell signal here and be in the market till this level. So you exit the market here on this arrow. So let's see the number of candles claimed there. Okay, that actually gave us 21 minutes candles. You can see being the market for 21 minutes is still cool. Okay, so it went up a bit. We got another sell signal here. It didn't go for long, but at least it will give you a few cents, or probably $1 or thereabout. Okay, but that was because it is just recovering from this little uptrend that happened here. Okay, this also went on a buy, but we are not taking the buy signal because this is still on downtrend. Okay, so we are only taking the signal that supports the trend. Okay, so this is another signal that supports the trend. We got another sell signal here and it went for long. Okay, actually this one gave us 43 minutes candles, which means you can be in the market for 43 minutes. Okay, so that is amazing, isn't it? It is amazing. So let's check out more. Okay, this is another one. We got another sell signal here, and this actually gave us how many minutes candles? 20 minutes candles. So you can see by the time you follow the signal that supports the trend, you will have gotten enough trades and made so much money while trying to scalp trading, even using this strategy. And remember, if you are trading this asset, most especially if you are scalp trading, or you are still new on this platform, okay, you are still a novice, do not use a big lot size, okay, use the smallest lot size. The smallest lot size will still give you quite a lot of money, okay. So let's see this. Okay, let's see this. This is another one, and it got to this level, and right here, this is when you should not practice this again, okay. This is when you should not follow the sell signal again, because it has changed from a downtrend signal to an uptrend signal, so which means it will be going up any moment from now. So right now, what are you going to do? You swap it over, you start trading the buy, okay. Once you have a buy signal, you go in and trade, okay, and exit once you have a sell signal. This actually give us 7 minutes candles, so you wait for another buy signal. Once you get another buy signal, you go into the trade again, and you follow the trend all through to the very last, till you are able to achieve your daily target. So that is how to go about it. I want you to practice this. It is newbie friendly. It is very easy to carry out. All you just need to do is to follow simple instruction. If you can understand how to send an email, if you can understand how to click a few links, then you should be able to do this. All you need to do is just to make sure the trend is in favor of the signal you are picking is in favor of the trend, okay, is going along the line with the trend. That way you will make lots and lots of money with that, okay, and that way you will be able to build the confidence in you in order to be able to trade for a very long time, and at the same time you will be able to achieve the aspect of you trading, growing your trading capital and making some profit for yourself at the same time. So I want you to practice this on your demo account. If you are having this set up, kindly set it up on your demo account and practice it for a whole day, and let's see what you are able to make with it, okay. Let's see what you are able to make with it. You can send your screenshots to me, you can send questions to me on WhatsApp, and I will gladly reply you as soon as I get them, okay. This is my WhatsApp details. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. My email is also there. My Telegram channel is also there, which you can join. I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God